Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about Harold Pinter, who is a modern writer, and let's get started. Harold Pinter was a British playwright, screenwriter, director and actor of modern times. He was a famous actor and director and screenwriter also. Uh, his career as a dramatist spanned more than 50 years. He got Nobel Prize in Literature in 2005. He used to act in school plays and write poetry as a student, and later he became an actor. He got interested in acting and writing plays and everything early in his childhood, and later on when he becomes young, he became a famous actor and director. He married actress Vivian Merchant but later divorced and then remarried Lady Antonia Fraser. So this is all about Harold Pinter. You should keep in your mind that apart from becoming a writer, a playwright or a novelist, he was also an actor. Okay, so major works by Harold Pinter. It's very easy to learn about his works because his major works are only 11 in number. So his famous works are The Birthday Party. The Birthday Party is the most important work written by Harold Pinter. The Dumb Waiter, The Caretaker, A Night Out, The Homecoming, Old Times, Silence, The Room, The Dwarfs, Tea Party, Victoria Station. So these are all the major works written by Harold Pinter, and now we will discuss about his major works. Discussion of major works. First play written by Harold Pinter is The Room. It is first play. The play is called Comedy of Menace by some critics. It means tragicomedy. It was a sort of tragicomedy. The theme of The Room is people's inability to protect themselves from harm and insecurity. So this is the first play written by Harold Pinter. The second play, which is most important, is The Birthday Party. The Birthday Party is best known play of Harold Pinter. The play is also called Comedy of Menace. It is also like tragicomedy kind of play. In the setting of rundown seaside boarding house, a little birthday party is turned into a nightmare when two strangers arrive unexpectedly. So there is birthday party going on in the boarding house, and suddenly two strangers come there and the birthday party turns into a nightmare. Next is The Dumb Waiter. It is a one act play. The Dumb Waiter is one act play. It means that there is only one act in the whole play. Actually, you all know that the play is divided into acts. So some plays have 2 acts, some have 3 acts, some have more acts, but this is only one act play. So The Dumb Waiter is a 2 character play. There are only 2 character play who are sitting in the basement of an old rooming house. Ben and Gus make small talk and wait. It becomes obvious that they are hired killer who are waiting for their victim, whose identity they have not been told yet. So it is The Dumb Waiter is set in a like a old rooming house, like a small hotel where two people are sitting, Ben and Gus, and they are talking, and they with their talk we can come to know that they are hired killers and they are waiting for somebody to whom they have to kill. So this is all about this. Moving on to the next play, which is The Caretaker. The Caretaker is a play in 3 acts. First major commercial success. So this is the most successful play written by Harold Pinter. The Caretaker takes place in a house in Western London during the 1950s and examines the strange relationship between a tramp, Davies, and two damaged and disconnected brothers, Mick and Austin. The play opens as Austin saves Davies from a fight and brings him home to give him a place to stay. So, Aston is the Mick and Aston are two brothers, and one brother named Aston saves Davies, who is a tramp, and then he takes him to his house, and there he takes care of him. So the novel is named after this caretaker. Okay. Next is The Night Out. Night Out is a play written by Harold Pinter. Albert Stokes is a lonely boy in his late 20s. He lives with his mother and works in an office. He was falsely accused of molesting a female at office party. Then he wanders the streets until he meets a girl who invites him to her flat where he angrily disrespects her. So this is the night out of Albert Stokes, who is falsely accused of molesting a girl, and he keeps on wandering throughout the night, and then he meets a girl and he disrespects her. Next is The Dwarfs. Dwarfs is the only novel written by Harold Pinter. Rest of the works are plays. They are all plays, but this is the only one which is a novel. And it was originally written in 1950s, but it was published in 1960. The Dwarfs is about a competitive male friendship among four young boys. There are four men in the play. They are called the Dwarfs, and they are in a sort of competition with each other. Okay. Next is The Homecoming. The Homecoming is two-act play. It won the Tony Award for Best Play in 1967. The play is set in North London. We can see that most of his plays are set in North London, and no, they are set in London actually. The play Caretaker was set in Western London, and this is in North London. The Homecoming explores issues of sex, power, and female role in a family. The action is taken place in all male family presided over by a abusive patriarch Max. So this is a story of a couple who comes to home, and in their home there are all family members are all male, and the girl have to live among them, and the father, who is Max, is very abusive sort of person. Next is Tea Party, adapted from short story of same title. Tea Party, Harold Pinter has written a story also. The name of the story was Tea Party, and then he made a full play on this title. Tea Party is about a middle-aged self-made businessman named Sisson who engages a young secretary, marries her as a second wife, and takes his new brother-in-law into his business all in one day. And later he comes to know that his secretary is telling him that this is his brother, but he later came to know that he actually was not his brother, and they both were conspiring something against him, against Sisson. So this is all about the story, and it is the story of one day only. Next is Silence. Silence is a short play, a play which explored the origins of sadness and joys in relationships. Silence is a brilliant experiment with the language of desire. It explored the silence between what we say and what we want. So the silence here means that there is a sort of silence among the words. When we want to say something, we say something else, but we want something else. So this is all about this short play, Silence. Next play is Old Times. Old Time is a story of two friends who used to be roommates, and they meet after 20 years. They remind of their old time. Victoria Station is a short play. Victoria Station consists of a radio dialogue between a minicab controller and a driver. The dialogue consists: drop your passenger at his chosen destination and proceed to Victoria Station. So this is all about the works of Harold Pinter. I hope you like the video. Thank you.